Hi, what's your name?
My name is Mithran.
So which standard are you studying in?
Third standard.
Okay, very nice. So hi ma'am, this is Aditya again. And so I just want to know the valuable feedback about the course, ma'am. How did you like it from the day 1 till the 16th class?
Actually, his handwriting has been changed drastically in this 1 month period. I think, having the classes alternatively, it took nearly 1.5 months maybe. But from the starting till now, maybe I can show you his change.
Yes, please ma'am, thank you.
Because actually, this itself is his changed handwriting only. This was his handwriting when he started with Lavanya ma'am. And just show you now. This is his handwriting now.
Wow, that's nice, ma'am.
Yeah, he's writing more legibly, and he spaces the sentences properly. And his notes also have so much of difference. Let's show you a full page where you can see the change in his handwriting.
That's really nice, ma'am.
This was how it was earlier. So that he'll never write so dark. So this is how it used to be.
Okay, wow, that's a drastic change, ma'am.
Yeah, so there is so much of change in his handwriting and spacing, even the timing of it. So,
Yes.
yeah, I'm really happy with the change and the spacing, or maybe in this exam he has his exam next week. So how he's going to manage the speed for this, only that thing he has to manage. I think ma'am is given practice even for that.
Yes, ma'am. So even after the course is completed, the trainer will completely guide you like in a day 15 minutes or so. So you don't have to worry about it. You can text anytime the Calligraphy app. And so how was Lavanya ma'am's training?
She's too good really, because Mithran, like I used to sit with him. With my presence, it was a bit difficult for me to bring him into line. He never used to see even Lavanya ma'am. It's just her voice and the one display picture what she has. She has taken the full control over him in a friendly way, and he sits for the entire class. He doesn't feel bored. He finishes his homework. By chance, if he's unable to do also, he just takes an excuse, and in this way, he was disciplined actually.
Oh, that's really nice to hear.
Yeah, he sat for the whole hour with her. He's not a person who sits for an hour and read or write anything. Only with his listening capacity, he gives his exam. Since he's getting marks, they don't tell everything in this class, but they used to ask him to write darkly or even legibly. He didn't change his handwriting, but now even the teachers are telling like he's changed his handwriting. We thought like parents are helping him write.
I think your review is the best review which we ever got, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback. And